Hello everyone, Becca here with another helpful social media video to help you optimize your business in the big old digital world. Let's go ahead and dig into it. This month, I'm going to go over how to keep people interested and engaged in what you have to share and say on your social media platforms. Now, a lot of what I'm going to say is specific to the Instagram platform, but feel free to use these tips on other social media platforms and they should work just as well for you. You may be wondering, is it even a thing to have an okay Instagram caption or a great Instagram caption? To simply put it, yes. Providing context, adding personality, and encouraging engagement are all key elements of having a great Instagram caption. A little more detailed explanation on why great Instagram captions are so important. The longer someone spends on your post reading and engaging, the higher your post will rank in the Instagram algorithm. And what happens when your post ranks high in the Instagram algorithm? It means more people will find you, encouraging more engagement and growth within your business. So now that we know why a great Instagram caption is so important, let's get down to the details of how to captivate your audience, stopping a scroller in their tracks. The first tip is going to be make your first line stand out. To increase your Instagram viewing time, you want to make sure that your first line comes in with a punch. You want to be engaging and enticing as possible. It's important to add an attention-grabbing first line so that the reader can see what you have to say before clicking the More button to read the full post. This could be accomplished by making your viewers curious with an intriguing statement, capturing their attention with hard-hitting facts, triggering an emotional response, or sharing an exclusive offer.
Let's go ahead and look at this Nike post as an example. They do a great job of having a short first line, and then the paragraphs following go into detail about why you would feel inspired going to the Nike archives in Beaverton.
Tip number 2, add line breaks for longer captions. In some cases, Instagram captions are short, sweet, and to the point, which is great. But what about those days when you have a lot to say? Longer captions are great too. Just make sure you're adding line breaks. This will make it easier for your viewer to read when you have a lot to share.
This is a great example by Oatly breaking up their paragraphs when they have a large amount of text that they want to share.
Tip number 3, add a call to action. Inviting your audience to comment and engage on your Instagram caption can not only boost engagement on your social media platforms, but it can boost engagement on your website as well. By creating a compelling call to action, you can encourage your followers to engage with your posts, keeping them longer on your feed and ranking you higher in the Instagram algorithm. You may even drive customers directly to your website to schedule their upcoming home inspection.
Let's take a look at this Photoshop post. They give you a call to action by telling you that you can register for Adobe Max in the link in their bio. You could do something similar by sharing your website in your bio.
Tip number 4, write your captions in batches. Writing your Instagram captions last minute is a huge reason why most people have trouble writing them in the first place. Instead of jumping day to day writing your Instagram captions, sit down and write them in one batch. It's going to be way more efficient and it's really going to help you get in the zone. Taking just 1 to 2 hours out of your week to write your Instagram posts is going to help you stay focused and keep your brand consistent. There's platforms that can help you stay organized and some are even free. Monday, Lumi, Trello. You can even use Google spreadsheets or Excel spreadsheets to help you stay organized. Tip number 5, use hashtags to boost visibility. Adding hashtags not only help people find you, but it will help you gain more followers on your Instagram platform, which could eventually turn into leads for your business. If you're looking for more information on hashtags and how to use them, be sure to check out my video that I created last month that goes over the in and outs of using hashtags and how to effectively use them for your social media platform and business. Tip number 6, post to your Instagram stories. Utilizing Instagram story sharing features and captions is a great way to get your customers to take a specific action. This could be as simple as swiping up for a limited deal, checking out your website in your bio, or checking out the latest reel you created on your feed. The fact is, sharing and talking on your Instagram story is a great way to humanize your brand and get your viewers to take action in some sort of way. So now that we understand that adding context, personality, and encouraging engagement are all key elements of a great Instagram caption, you can start captivating your readers with the following steps. Tip number 1, make your first line stand out. Grab your viewers' attention and make them want to discover what it is you have to say. Tip number 2, add line breaks in your longer captions. This gives your viewers some room to breathe while reading your paragraphs on a small little screen. Tip number 3, add a call to action. Encourage your viewers to take action in some sort of way, which will help you boost your visibility on social media platforms. Tip number 4, write your Instagram captions in batches. This helps you remain focused and consistent within your brand. Tip number 5, use hashtags to boost your visibility. This helps people find you and what you have to offer as a business owner. Tip number 6, share and talk on your Instagram story. This helps drive followers to take a specific action, whether it's liking your most recent reel or scheduling their next home inspection on your website. Well, everyone, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe down below to stay in the loop for tons of other great content that I create monthly to help get your business up and running in the digital world. I'm Becca. Take care.